To the summit. Conditions on high mountains are harsh. Climbers tackling the highest summits need specialized inventions to get them to the top. Problems climbers face: slippery ice, lack of oxygen, extreme cold, bad visibility, cloud, getting lost, falling down. Make sure your invention helps climbers tackle at least one of these problems. Design your own mountain climbing gear here. There are ideas for inspiration on the side of the page. Propeller hat, warm padded hat with attached propeller for added lift. Suction feet, extra sticking power for steep, icy slopes. Heated shoes, keep toes warm and melt ice underfoot. Smart oxygen mask, with low oxygen alerts and sensors to warn of dangers ahead. Radar goggles, with antifreeze, anti-fog technology, and a built-in map. Aerial inventions. All flying machines, whether hot air balloons, helicopters, airships, planes, or rockets, depend on the same forces to fly. A force called lift pushes a flying machine up into the air. A force called thrust pushes it forwards. All types of aircraft must create these forces in order to fly. Airship. Airships are filled with helium gas, which is lighter than air, creating lift. Propellers at the back create thrust. Helicopter. A helicopter creates lift by spinning blades. When the helicopter tilts forwards, the blades also create thrust. Rocket. Gases are blasted out of rocket engines, creating thrust and lift. Plane. Propellers or jet engines create thrust, pushing the plane forwards. Air flowing over the wings creates lift. Hot air balloon. Hot air is lighter than cool air. This creates lift, while blowing wind creates thrust. A smooth or streamlined shape helps the plane move through the air more easily. Design your own flying machine. How will it create lift? Hot air? Helium? Wings? How will it create thrust? Propellers? Jet engines? Rockets? What shape will it be? The more streamlined the shape, the less thrust it needs. Where will the pilot sit? Cockpit? Basket? Reducing waste. To help reduce the amount of waste people produce, inventions need to last and need to be reused as often as possible. Longer lasting. Many everyday items have to be replaced when children grow or bodies change, but an adjustable product could be used for longer. Imagine your own adjustable product here. How about furniture that changes height as you grow? Shoes that extend as your feet get bigger? Glasses with adjustable lenses to cope with changing eyesight? Reusable. Lots of products are designed for single use, to be used, then thrown away. But more and more inventors are creating products that can be reused again and again to protect the environment. Design a reusable product to help people cut down on waste. How about rechargeable batteries with a wind-powered charger? Batteries release toxic chemicals when thrown away, so it's best to reuse them. Delivery box that can be reused for different size packages. Reusable packaging cuts down on lots of waste. In Roman times, the ancient Romans came up with all sorts of inventions to improve their daily lives, many of which are still in use today. Read about the Roman inventions below. Then follow the instructions to complete the picture map of a city. Draw a wall to surround the city. Concrete. The Romans invented a recipe for strong concrete. The secret ingredient was volcanic ash. Fill the city with some sturdy concrete buildings. A forum or public meeting place. An arena for entertainment. Aqueducts carry water from lakes into cities. Draw an aqueduct to supply fresh water to the city's water store. Roman roads were built in straight lines so people and goods could move as quickly as possible. Add roads to connect places on your map. Sewers carried wastewater from public baths to rivers. Connect the public baths to a river with a sewer. Newspapers. The Romans invented one of the earliest types of newspaper. News was scratched onto big stone slabs that were left in the forum for people to read. Breaking news, runaway chariot causes chaos. Breaking news, emperor's dog escapes city walls. Draw the scenes that spark the headlines on the map below. Farm. Farms were usually outside the city wall. Lake. Chariot races were held in the arena. Water store, temple. Public baths. Market stalls were set up around the forum. River. Farm. Farm.